Hey everyone, welcome back to Santo Domingo Adventure. Today, we're going to be talking about how to experience the Maldives on a budget. That's right, you don't have to break the bank to enjoy this beautiful paradise. This one's for you. I'll break down all the costs and give you tips on how to save money while still having an amazing time. Now, before we dive into the details, let's talk about the different sides of the Maldives. The Maldives has its own unique charm and character, offering visitors different experiences based on their interests and preferences. Here are some of the different sides of the Maldives. Luxury and romance. The Maldives is known for its luxury resorts, which offer unparalleled levels of comfort and service. Adventure and exploration. For those who love to explore, the Maldives offers a wide range of activities, including scuba diving, snorkeling, surfing, and fishing. The Maldives is home to some of the world's most vibrant coral reefs, and diving and snorkeling here is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Local culture and history. While the Maldives is best known for its luxury resorts, there is also a rich local culture and history to explore. The Maldives has a long and fascinating history, with influences from India, Sri Lanka, and the Arab world. Wellness and relaxation. The Maldives is the perfect destination for those who want to escape the stresses of everyday life and focus on wellness and relaxation. Sustainable tourism. The Maldives is committed to sustainable tourism, with many resorts implementing eco-friendly practices and initiatives to protect the country's fragile ecosystem. Overall, the Maldives offers a diverse range of experiences, catering to different interests and preferences. Whether you're looking for luxury and romance, adventure and exploration, local culture and history, wellness and relaxation, or sustainable tourism, you're sure to find something that suits you in this beautiful island nation. If you're looking for the ultimate in luxury and pampering, the Maldives has some of the world's most opulent resorts. Think private islands, overwater bungalows, and Michelin-starred restaurants. But if you're like most of us and can't afford to spend thousands of dollars a night on accommodations, don't worry. Staying at a local guest house is a great way to experience the Maldives without breaking the bank. These guest houses offer a more authentic look at Maldivian life and culture, and they're significantly cheaper than the fancy resorts. Maldives resorts versus Maldives local island. If you're wondering what the difference between staying at a resort and a local island is, I can tell you that both experiences offer the same water, same beach, and same activities. The only difference is that the resort obviously has better food and more all-inclusive activities, but at a much higher price. On the other hand, the local island experience requires a bit more organizing, but the cost is much lower. But just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the experience. You can still enjoy delicious local food, go snorkeling, diving, or surfing, and soak up the sun on some of the world's most beautiful beaches. For the past week, I've been staying at a local guest house in the Maldives. It's located on a nearby island, and I must say that it's been an amazing experience. You get to ride on the water to get to the closest places to the beach. My room has been beautiful, and they put the most unique and awesome things in my bed every day. The people running the guest house are genuinely nice and helpful. Okay, here are the breakdown all the costs and give you tips on how to save money while still having an amazing time. Now, let's break down the cost of backpacking in the Maldives. Keep in mind that my experience might not be the same as yours, but I'll share my budget breakdown based on my experience. To get to the Maldives, you'll most likely fly into the capital city. From there, you can take a speedboat or a ferry to your destination island. A speedboat will cost around $25 while a ferry will cost around $4, but will take 4 hours. I recommend taking the speedboat, as it's faster and more comfortable. When it comes to accommodations, staying in a local guest house is the cheapest option, and it's a great way to experience the local culture. The cost of staying in a guest house ranges from $40 to $60 per night, depending on the location and the season. During the low season, June to December, the prices are lower, while during the high season, November to May, the prices are higher. As for food, the cost of food in the Maldives is relatively cheap, with meals ranging from $5 to $10 per meal, depending on what you order. Most guest houses offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. Now, let's talk about activities. The Maldives is known for its water activities, such as snorkeling, diving, and surfing. The cost of these activities varies depending on the location and the type of activity. Some activities, such as snorkeling, are often included in your guest house package, while others, like diving, cost around $50 to $100 per dive. Overall, the local island experience in the Maldives is an excellent option for budget travelers who want to explore the beauty of the Maldives without breaking the bank. The experience is just as amazing as the resort, if not better. So, if you're planning a trip to the Maldives, consider staying at a local guest house to have an unforgettable and affordable adventure. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel. Thank you.